Every single HVAC failure in this business starts with the same question. Did the tenant change a filter? And property managers, we all know the answer to this one. Unfortunately, every single time we scramble, every time we apologize for a preventable repair to the owner, we're managing the chaos again and paying for the tenant's neglect that wasn't even ours. I've already shown you how FilterSync changes that in past videos, how it stops the damage, enforces compliance, reduces work orders, and rebuilds trust. So what I want to talk about today is FilterSync isn't just stopping the damage and reducing those preventable work orders. It's also a source of revenue for you, the property manager. So now every missed filter isn't just risk, it's revenue. Neglect now costs the tenants and not you. So like I said, FilterSync's not just stopping the damage and protecting your portfolio, it's turned compliance into a profit center, and it's literally paying for itself. When tenants don't comply, you don't lose, you charge. There's about 4 different ways to monetize FilterSync. The first, if the tenant doesn't verify the filter change, they pay a compliance fee. They don't send the proof, there's going to be a fee every single time. And second, when they don't send that proof, you're going to send a tech to replace that filter at the tenant's expense. That's going to be an upcharge. And third, if the tenant doesn't allow timely access to get that filter changed, the tech's not only going to change the filter, he's authorized to clean and service the unit to mitigate damage caused by that dirty filter. That's going to be another upcharge. And last, a small monthly fee to the owner for filter verification. So FilterSync is premium proof. Owners see the protection of their most expensive and the most neglected system in that property. They will gladly pay a very small monthly fee for the peace of mind. With FilterSync, you prevent the damage, you protect your owners, you protect your portfolio, and you turn accountability into income. You finally monetize what matters most, proof. FilterSync isn't just another app. It's a new source of income. It's an economic engine. It protects assets, rebuilds trust, and makes every lease enforceable while paying for itself. So with AI automation and computer vision, property managers now have the tech to end this compliance gap once and for all. It's up to you. You can keep paying for the tenant neglect and then charging them back, or profit from the prevention. AI isn't the future. It's the new standard. We need to stop managing damage and start monetizing compliance.